Aisha. Aisha, what are you doing?
I'm doing water.
Water? What are you trying to build?
Let's do a turtle. You want me to bury you?
Come on, Aisha. Let's bury you. Here. Come lay down. Come on, Joshua. Lay down. We're gonna bury you. Lay down. Go lay in here. So we're gonna bury Aisha.
Okay, bury me.
Okay.
No, not here.
Come on, Aisha, lay down.
Lay down. Wait.
I don't think you can see it.
Wait. Can I get help?
Hold on, wait. I'm trying to record this.
You did. Get water, please.
So they burying my baby. Can you believe this?
I got your approval to do this.
Aisha,
Just lay down.
stay in here, okay?
All right.
Just don't kill her for real. Aisha, are you having fun?
Oh my God, sige kramo basa.
Aisha, are you having fun?
We cannot talk to you.
Like your mother, Aisha.
Her face. No.
Yeah, permit la figil.
That's it.
Oh, don't do that.
Don't do what? No, leave your head down.
Aisha, lay down. Okay, she don't like it. She don't like it. Aisha,
My tooth.
Aisha, you don't like it? Aisha, come on. You don't like it? Come here, baby. You wanna go in the water with me?
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to the water now. No plane, no blower. Oh, it's cold. Ah, it's cold. Oh my God. Aisha. Aisha, you like the water?
Yeah, why give it up?
Oh my God.
The water.
The water? You like it?
The water coming.
Say hi. Right here. Say hi to the... Come on. Right here, right here. Say hi.
Hi, water coming.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Okay, can you blow a kiss? Can you kiss me? Mwah. I love you. Okay, let's go. You cannot go too far. Okay. Let's go, let's go, come on. Ah, it's coming to get us. It's coming to get us. It's coming to get us. We gotta go back. Okay? Alright. Are you having fun today? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes?
That's so wonderful.
Come on, come on.
Water coming.
Okay. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you guys.
Bye, guys.